Hello guys, review Motorola Moto G04. This version 3 GB, 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory, open box, and look complectation. We have complectation adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. Protected back cover. Single camera and LED on this side. Power button, wall buttons. Display 6.5-inch display. HD resolution, IPS 90 Hz. Type-C port on this side. Speaker. Android 14. We have clear Android 14. Okay. Open Geekbench 6 look results. We have Unisoc Tiger T606 is CPU and GPU Mali G57. Okay. Antutu benchmark results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on this device and works on the medium graphic level. Camera we have 16 megapixels. Okay. Close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.